going to show you how you can easily upload a font into Canva. So you go to the main Canva page and click on brand, then select your brand kit, and then move down to fonts, and I'm going to click add a new font. I've already downloaded a font, so all I need to do is find my download. So I'm going to click add new font, upload the font, choose files, click on the font I want to upload, and click open. And yes, I want to upload it right away. And now I have uploaded my new font, and then I can go back into Canva. Let's create a new document. And then let's select our font that we just downloaded. And this is our font for sign language. Now I can make that a little larger. And there's my new font.